In this section, we're going to talk about general Heroku troubleshooting. Whenever you deploy your application and you have some kinds of problems with it, troubleshooting your Heroku deployment can be difficult. There are a few tools that Heroku gives you to make troubleshooting a little bit easier. We're just going to go over a couple of them. The first tool that we'll cover is Heroku Logs. So from my command line, I'm going to use the Heroku Toolbelt CLI and type in Heroku Logs. This will show me the logs for my Heroku installation that's tied to this Git repository. You can see that there's information here about requests that are made and about other information about Heroku. Whenever you have a problem with your Heroku server, the first thing you should do is check the logs to see what might be going wrong. Often this will make the solution obvious, but even if the answer isn't obvious, usually the error message is something you can Google and find more information and ultimately track down the solution to your problem. So let's go cause an error with our application and see how Heroku handles it and what the logs show us. Let's say that I mistyped the name of my entry file. Instead of server.js, I accidentally typed server2.js. I'll save this change, go back to my command line, and check that change in. Then I'll push that up to Heroku. And now let's go see the application in the browser. Okay, so Heroku is telling me that I've got an application error. I'll go back to my command line and type in Heroku Logs. And now I'll go over and scroll up, and I see error, cannot find module app server2.js. So that gives me a starting place to figure out what I might have done wrong. I'll go back in and fix this and redeploy, and everything will be okay. The other troubleshooting tool that's good to have at your fingertips is the command Heroku Restart. This will simply restart your Heroku application. Now that's not to say that Heroku is like Windows and just frequently needs to be restarted, but occasionally there is a need to restart your Heroku application, and if so, this is the command that will let you do that. These two troubleshooting tools should help you figure out the majority of your problems with Heroku.